In a New Jersey divorce case, the process of dividing up all assets and debts acquired during the marriage is called equitable distribution. So what does that mean? Pretty much what it sounds like. Sometimes the parties can agree on what is equitable or fair. Many times that means that the husband gets half and the wife gets half, although that's not automatic. New Jersey is not a community property state. Oftentimes, the tricky part is deciding what gets included and what doesn't. Assets that were acquired prior to the marriage or during the marriage by inheritance or gift start out as being exempt from equitable distribution. But sometimes things that happen during the marriage to those assets void the exemption. Like, for example, when money you inherited is put into a joint account with your spouse. Now, that doesn't mean that just because you did that, your spouse automatically gets half of the money if you later get divorced. But that's why they call it equitable distribution. The goal is to do what's fair. Another thing that surprises some people when they get divorced in New Jersey is that their spouses are entitled to share in their retirement benefits, like pensions, for example, even if they can't begin receiving those benefits for many years, and maybe they'll never receive them if they die before they retire. People who own and operate a business must also face the fact that in a New Jersey divorce, the business may not only be a source of income, which may give rise to an alimony claim, it may also be an asset for which you need to separately compensate your spouse. Sound like double dipping? You may think so, but that's not the law in New Jersey. If one of the parties is going to pay alimony to the other, that fact can also have an impact on how the party's assets and debts get distributed. In some cases, one party will agree not to require that the other party pay alimony in exchange for getting a greater share of the assets. There are a lot of things to consider and a lot of room to design a plan that works best for you. That's why you need the advice of an experienced New Jersey divorce law firm. At Salvaggio Law Group, New Jersey divorce and family law is all we do. If you need to talk, contact us to schedule a personal and confidential assessment. We really are here to help.